Folks, I've been tracking hurricanes for the past 30 years as a professional meteorologist. I've loved weather since I'm basically 3 years old. And when I look at Melissa, I can't say I've ever seen a storm with such symmetrical structure. This has got to be one of the best textbook examples of a hurricane. That is not good news because it means that the storm is incredibly strong. It's one of the strongest hurricanes ever in the Atlantic, right now tied for the 10th strongest storm in the Atlantic, and it still has a chance to strengthen a little bit more before it makes landfall on Tuesday morning. It also now holds the record for the world's driest eye. So as we zoom into the eye, you can see there's not even a cloud in it. The dew points are very low, so there's very low humidity in there. The storm's just wobbling around right now. It hasn't really begun its track to the north. We think it will move north and eventually northeast, making landfall in Jamaica. And this is a look at all the strongest storms since 1851. And they've never had a Cat 5 direct hit, but it looks like Melissa may be their first one, making landfall on the western side, a little less populated there. Eastern side has Kingston, but Montego Bay is on the western side. And so this is going to be a catastrophic impact, especially if it does, in fact, make a direct landfall. One of the biggest problems with a lot of these Caribbean countries, and Jamaica being one of them, is that there are big mountains up to 7,000 feet on the eastern side. That tropical moisture is being forced into the mountains, forced to lift. It is squeezing out all that tropical moisture and producing a lot of heavy rain, mudslides, flash flooding. How much rain are we likely to see? I think when it's all said and done, 30 to 40 inches of rain is possible in spots. So this is a very dangerous storm, but also because of the wind. As we show you the wind gust forecast, you can see as it makes landfall, right where it makes landfall, we're seeing gusts 120, 130, 140 miles an hour. It does weaken as it makes its way across the island. Now, the reason why the mainland of the U.S. is protected is a strong cold front, another one, heading to the East Coast will scoop up Melissa, pick it up, and move it northeast. But unfortunately, that means it may be moving towards Bermuda. Now, it is going to be a weaker storm when it moves towards Bermuda, but we think that when it moves over eastern Cuba, it is likely still to be a major hurricane, then moving over Bermuda as maybe a Cat 1 or Cat 2. I'm Chief Meteorologist and Climate Specialist Jeff Baradelli.